What's up, guys? I am back with another DIY video. All of these items came from Dollar Tree. The glasses, the wrapping paper, the candles that you're going to see in the video. All of these items came from Dollar Tree. Y'all, I really wanted to just come over and do a voiceover for you guys real quick, just to let y'all know, even though this is a DIY and it's a very simple one, very simple. Don't need a lot of items, don't need a lot of materials to make this work. You know, of course you can do it how you do it, but guys, I just want to be able to just open up and be a little transparent. When I say doing this project, it is very simple, right? But y'all, I am like so hard on myself. So I'm like, okay, am I going to be able to do it? Oh, this is just too much. Or, you know, I felt myself getting overwhelmed or a little frustrated. And like I said, guys, it's very simple. But I just started doing arts and crafts. Like I just started doing DIYs. I was just laying in the bed on a Sunday night, talking to my husband, and I was just like scrolling, you know, whatever. And I said, babe, I think I want to start doing some DIY projects. And he's like, do it. You got it. You can do it. You know, he's always been encouraging. And I say, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and I'm going to, you know, do it. I started doing some research. And guys, I really want to be able to do this. Like, this is something that I want to perfect. You know, I want to be able to just go in the store and say, ooh, I can make this, or I can design this, you know. A lot of things that looks expensive, you know, most of the time people actually just do it themselves or create it themselves. And guys, I just want to be able to be transparent with y'all, let y'all know in this particular video, although y'all see it as a simple thing, I was like in my head, I was wrecking my brain the entire time. It got to the point I had to start like singing. So like in the video, you will see me singing, you know, well, see my mouth moving or whatever. And, you know, I'm just like pumping myself up. And I have to remind myself, if I don't show up for me, who's going to show up for me? If I don't do this, who's going to do it for me? And if I don't do this, I'm going to be saying to myself, dang, I should have did it. Or why did I quit? Or why? I don't want that. So my goal is to stay consistent. But also my goal is to continue to encourage myself. I have to encourage myself, because if I don't show up for me, who's going to show up for me? So guys, I just want to just take this time to be able to let y'all know, like, there are moments like that. We are all human, you know. There are going to be a lot of moments like that. But guys, we can get through it. We can get through it. Just keep going. Just keep going and just keep moving and keep pressing and always show up for you. All right, guys. So throughout the rest of this video, I'm going to let you guys vibe to the music. You know what I'm saying? And y'all going to finish seeing me, you know, perfect my craft, okay? Yes, I am a beginner, but when I tell you guys, I'm going to get this. I am going to nail DIY projects. So far, so good. I'm loving the results. My husband loved the results. My kids love the results. I get a lot of feedback. Y'all, please comment below and let me know if y'all want to see anything different, any more arts and crafts. You know, just let me know. But thank you guys, and let's watch this video together.